The last thing your boss says before leaving the room.
Before I forget, we should do something with AI.
What usually follows is chaos. Scattered notes, random links, Slack opinions, and a meeting where everyone debates, but nobody can decide. Most PMs think the problem is productivity. It's not. The problem is structure. And this is where Neon changes the game. Inside Opera Neon, we can use cards to make repeating tasks easier. That's why today we're using multiple workflow cards to run a structured intake. First, I drop all the messy inputs into Neon. A Slack thread full of opinions, a few meeting notes, competitor links, and a doc with vague ideas. Then I select our card for structuring information. This will organize the context into clear themes, surface assumptions, and make contradictions visible. Now that the context is structured, we use another card to turn our context into a PRD proposal. Neon generates a decision-ready PRD, not a summary, but a structured document with a clear problem statement, defined target users, a measurable objective, scope and non-goals, risks, and open questions. But a long PRD isn't always what leadership needs, so I select the third card to reduce the signal to noise. Neon compresses the document into a concise, executive-ready version, focused on the decision and not the explanation, suitable and ready for sharing with teams and leadership. This is the difference with compensating manually and operating with leverage. If your inputs are messy, don't fight with the mess, structure it.